Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Robinhood. So in order to withdraw money from Robinhood, all you have to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, log in into your Robinhood account. Once you're logged in, it's going to direct you to the home page. Now right on this page, you'll be able to find multiple tabs located in the top right hand side corner. So you'll have to go ahead and tap the accounts button. As soon as you click the accounts button, the drop down menu appears, and from the bottom of your screen, you'll have to go ahead and select transfer. So now what you'll have to do is you need to select from where you actually want to transfer, and after that you need to enter in to which account you would like to transfer. Once you're done with that procedure, enter the exact amount that you wish to transfer and click on review transfer located right at the bottom. As soon as you've done that, lastly you'll have to go through the confirmation. That will look something like this. Now if you're sure about the information that you provided, then click the submit button located right at the bottom. In order to confirm your verification, you'll have to enter in the password associated with your Robinhood account, and then you'll be notified with a statement that the money has been successfully transferred, and within a couple of days later you'll be notified that the amount has been deposited. So in that way you can withdraw money from Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.